Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rinku's Reviews. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to talk about Graco's Slimfit 3-in-1 car seat. We will explain step-by-step installation procedure and we will talk about some of the hidden tips and tricks. Today my husband is helping me with the assembly part. So let's begin our video. It is 3-in-1 car seat because it can be used in 3 ways. It can be used as a rear facing seat, forward facing seat and also high back booster seat. The car seat is unboxed. Now let's move towards the details of this car seat. The car seat comes with the instruction manual. You can use this instruction book to fix the car seat in your car. Now let's see the car seat from all the sides. This is the seat belt of this car seat. You need to press this button to loosen the belt. Press this button with one hand and pull the belt to loosen it with other hand. And you can pull this strip to tighten the belt. This red button is for headrest and harness adjustment. You can adjust it as per height of your child. This is harness level and this is headrest level. You can press this button and pull it up. So it will raise the harness height and also it will raise the headrest height. Same way, you can press this button to reduce the harness height and also to reduce the headrest height. These are 3 different levels to adjust this harness buckle. Right now it is adjusted in mid level. Now let's see how to change this harness buckle from mid level to other levels. To do that, first of all, you need to remove the cushion. Over here also, there are 3 levels that we saw earlier on the cushion. Now, let's see how to pass this buckle from one level to other level. Here we settled the buckle at level 3. Similarly, you can settle it on level 2 or on level 1. Now we adjusted the buckle level. Now put the cushion back on the seat. Here the buckle level on a car seat and the buckle level on a cushion should remain the same. Now let's talk about the cup holders of this car seat. You need to lift it, rotate it and then set it. The same thing you need to do on other side. Lift it, rotate it and set it. If you want to save the space, you can rotate it away like this. Same way you can lift and rotate on other side also. It can save the space by making your seat 10% slimmer. Now let's talk about the reclined position of this car seat. It has 4 reclined positions. As you see here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Position 1 and 2 are for rear facing car seat. Position 3 and 4 are for forward facing car seat. To use the seat as a booster seat, you need to set the position number 4. This red arrow indicates the reclined position of the car seat. Now let's see how to recline the car seat on different recline positions. To recline the car seat, you need to pull the red button given at the bottom of the car seat. This is the button that you need to pull to recline the car seat. Now let's recline the car seat by pulling that button. You can again see here that this button you need to pull to recline the car seat on different positions. This is recline position 4 and this is recline position 3. And now let's move towards the recline position 2 and recline position 1. Now let's move on to the tricky part. This is lower ankle strap. This strap gets buckled up with the hooks of your car. When you will buy the car seat, this lower ankle strap will be in rear facing path. So, if you want to use the car seat as a rear facing, you can directly buckle it up with your car. If you want to use this car seat as a booster seat, this lower ankle strap has to be in booster seat path. So, you have to set the straps in correct path. Same way, if you are using this car seat as a forward facing car seat, then you need to set this lower ankle strap in forward facing path. This is particularly tricky because it is not even described in user manual. As you can see, the lower ankle strap is currently in rear facing path. Now let's see how to set this lower ankle strap in front facing path. First, press this red button and buckle it out from the bottom of the car seat. This is how the buckle is. Do the same thing on the other side also. Press the red button and buckle it out from the bottom of your car seat. Now you need to bring this belt on one side of your seat. So let's see how to do that. Now you need to open the cover of the car seat from the base part. Remove the cushion and open the hooks like this. And this one also. Do the same thing on other side also. Now this is the strap that we pulled from other side, and from this side also you need to pass the buckle like this, and then you need to hold the strap in this way. Now slide this belt over the red colored steel rod until it is at the level of indicated front facing belt path. You need to open the seat cover to reach to the level of indicated front facing belt path. Next, you need to take the buckles out from indicated path on each side of the seat. That's it. The lower anchor strap is now all set for the front facing car seat position. Now you can put the seat cover back in its place. On the back side of this car seat, this is a tether belt. You need to unhook this tether belt from here. And put this tether strap on the front side of your seat for now. Over here, you can place your manual for your reference in future. We are all set to fix this car seat in car. Since our lower anchor strap is on path for forward facing seat, we will set this car seat as a forward facing car seat in our car. Place the car seat forward facing in the back seat of the vehicle. For forward facing car seat, the red arrow should be on the recline position number 3 or 4. Now, attach this lower anchor connector to your vehicle's lower anchor connector. And do the same thing on the other side also. At last, you need to press this button to tighten the lower anchor strap. You have to make sure that this belt is tight enough. At last, you need to remove this rubber band from this tether strap. By pressing this button here, you need to release this tether strap. You may need to check your car manual to check the location for attachment of this tether strap. The location remains in the rear part of your car. Attach the strap and then tighten it. The strap should be tight enough to hold the car seat in its position. Dear friends, to see such useful videos, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon also.